This video is an introduction to angels. I've realised I talk about them sometimes when referring to tarot because they appear in a lot of the cards, and I wanted to explain a bit more about them. So angels are messengers from God in the Abrahamic religions. They appear in Christianity, Islam and Judaism. Archangels are believed to be angels of higher rank, and their job is to guide and help people, and each angel does that in a different way. Angels referred to in the Bible are Michael and Gabriel, and you can see here what they do. There are many angels, some of the others I've written here, Muriel and Haniel, and some up here as well. So some angels are associated with the different rays of light, the different color rays in New Age ideas. You might hear people talk about Michael coming in on the blue ray of light. So that's a little reference there to some of the main ones if you're interested. And yeah, so in the Bible, it says they were created by God. They are beings with greater power and ability than humans, and that they exist in heaven or in the spirit realm, which is a level higher than our physical 3D world. And angels wait to be called on when their help is needed. Apparently, they can appear in human form if their mission requires it, but in Islam, it says they are beings made of light. Okay, they appear in a lot of artwork and sculpture. I've put two cards from Doreen Virtue here, but just wanted to mention the controversy around her. She was a prominent angel theory author. She wrote books about angels, had angel oracle cards, but a few years ago she renounced all of her angel work and says she was saved by Jesus, so became a Christian, which is fine. She said her angel cards were dangerous demon cards and doesn't want them published anymore. So I know there are people who still use them and find comfort from them, and I think that's the main thing. So, yeah, these two I like. So we've got no need to worry, and you're a powerful light worker. It is safe for you to be powerful. Your spiritual power brings great blessings in loving service to the divine. So whatever you think about that controversy, it really is up to you whether you use these or not. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed that introduction to angels.